Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is PMO or Project Management Office. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning for to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very interesting and important topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, a project management office, abbreviated to PMO, a group or department in an enterprise that establishes and implements best practices and maintains standards related to project management, planning and execution. The PMO strives to standardize and introduce economies of reputation in the execution of projects. The PMO also serves as an organization's central hub for project documentation, guidance and success metrics. Most PMO processes, methodologies and best practices are based on industry standards, such as a guide to the project management body of knowledge (PMBOK guide), which was originally published by the Project Management Institute (PMI), a certification body for project managers (PM). The role of a PMO. Friend, PMO is the backbone of successful project management approach at an organization. It is a function that provides decision support information, although it doesn't make any decisions itself. A PMO underpins the project delivery mechanisms by ensuring that all business change in an organization is managed in a controlled way. A PMO main purpose is to facilitate project success by establishing best practices, mitigating risk and ensuring on-time project delivery within a specified budget. So what does that actually mean in practice? PMO team fulfill a variety of functions on a day-to-day basis, including developing standards and processes, encouraging or enforcing where necessary the use of those standards and processes, managing resources for projects, reporting on financial information such as return on investment, delivering training and mentoring project team members, monitor and evaluate project performance to established goals, prepares risk analysis and action plan to mitigate the risk, gathering data about project progress and producing reports, managing dependencies across multiple projects. Responsibilities of the PMO team. Strategic PMO enable strategic change in organization. PMO vary widely. Some serve as a means to standardize project related governance processes and facilitate sharing of resources and tools. Others serve as centers of excellence, and still others align project and program work to corporate strategy across an enterprise. The PMO often play the role as a guardian of enterprise project management tools and project management methods. There will normally be an expert or several in the PMO who can support project managers and their team when with using any project related software. So here is the role of the stakeholders in PMO. PMO sponsor, champion and direct the establishment and evolving operation of the PMO. The PMO sponsor will ideally be a member of the main board. Head of PMO establish and run the permanent office. Head of project office establish and run the temporary project office. Portfolio analyst facilitate the development and ongoing management of an optimized portfolio, ensuring senior management decisions lead to the fulfillment of strategic objectives through delivery of projects. Project specialist play a proactive role in the promotion of project management methods and standards, implementation of good project management practice, and monitoring of certain projects. Project officer improve the planning and delivery process by collecting and maintaining data in a consistent form. The role of PMO versus the project manager. The project manager manages the constraints like scope, schedule, cost, quality of the individual project, while the PMO manages the methodologies, standards, overall risk, opportunities, metrics, and interdependence among projects at the enterprise level. They actually operate on different levels. While a project manager is accountable for achieving the goals approved for their projects, they are responsible. A PMO is accountable for achieving the approved goals for the enterprise. Typically, the PMO defines and maintains standards of project management within the organization through the standardization and the execution of repeatable and scalable process. The PMO is also the source of documentation, guidance, and metrics regarding the practice of project management and execution, whereas the role of the PM is to adhere to the guidelines and practices standardized by the PMO during project planning, preparation, and execution. Key success factors of the PMO. There are many critical success factors that influence the success of a PMO. So, here are some of the mentioned. Support from the execution team, PMO stakeholder buy-in, areas of responsibility and competencies, building trust, identify reasons for resistance, be a partner with the stakeholder, recording progress, transparency within the company, appropriate communication, taking one small step at a time. The business benefits of the PMO. For any program management office, it is extremely important that you are able to show how your PMO delivers tangible and meaningful business benefits. So, which one are here are 5 of the most important. Align the portfolio of projects with an eye toward future strategy. Deliver programs on time, within budget, and according to scope. Understand the linkages and dependencies between various projects in the portfolio. Improve communication within the program team among all stakeholders. Increase the awareness of the value of the PMO and project portfolio management process. To achieve this, you not only need good people, good process, but also supporting technology. It's quite amazing to see nowadays so many PMOs are still trying to manage project selection, prioritization, resource capability, planning, and deliverables via error-prone spreadsheets. Why project management software is needed? Teams that have to handle multiple projects can't rely on their memories to keep them all organized, and trying to keep everything together in email is a recipe for disaster. To deliver projects on time and within budget, information need to be written down, deadlines plotted, and documents shared. Team members need to be in constant communication with one another. That's the kind of information that quickly outgrows email threads and spreadsheets. When your team needs to get serious about managing projects, the solution is to get project management software. If your team juggle deadlines, resources, and deliverables, they need a dedicated project management tool actually. Project management challenges. Hard to get project started and well managed. It involves a lot of upfront investment, training, and additional resources. A staff do not have the confidence or enough maturity to properly kick-start business project initiatives. The deliverables of the IT project didn't align with business goal and objectives. As a result, the proliferation of many different but isolated and ad hoc initiatives are developed randomly without following any guidelines, standards, or procedures. produce the deliverables required by a standard is often tedious and very time consuming. On size fit all solution, process, tool or software is often not efficient for dealing with different sizes or complexities of the project. Now, how to become a successful PMO? Modern PMO are not the cat herding managers of the past, but they are also not the long haired, laid back gurus that are more suited to yoga studios than business presentations. A successful PMO that can operate within today's agile business and world sits somewhere in the middle of those two extremes. A good PMO should have a deep understanding of your organization's strategy, culture, and customer, bridge the gap between the company's primary stakeholders, customers, and the team working on the projects. The best, most agile project management office will shift with adoptions of a strategy to align itself with the changing world, act as mentors for project managers and team members to provide oversight and insight into the reasons behind the decisions, embrace the importance of helping staff understand why changes should be made so they can make informed decisions when they encounter obstacle. So here is the question, that do you need a PMO? Just like not every organization necessarily need to adopt agile principles, neither does every organization require a PMO. Some companies function smoothly on agile alone. Their teams may have enough personal investment and understanding of the company's big picture that guidance and best practices are not required. If your DevOps team are already performing at high levels and are not wasting effort on superfluous features with much frequency, why rock the boat? Every organization is different in its culture due to the people within it and their personalities. This means no single solution will be a magic bullet which can be applied to every organizational challenge. If your organization is having issues focusing on impactful changes that aid the customer and benefit the company, then adopting a PMO might be just the thing for you. They can help align teams with organizational goals and strategy to ensure teams don't waste time. Some organizations may see the role of PMO as an unnecessary overseer that will stifle the creativity. PMO and agile practices can find a happy meeting place where the two work together in harmony. To that end, PMO can help prevent decision paralysis, ensure the team have the information they need to best complete their projects. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.